Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I will show you how to increase volume in Audacity. So the first thing you want to do is go to File and open a music or audio file from your PC. So this is my sample file, just a guitar sample, and this is going to be very easy to do. Just follow my steps and let's do this. Alright, so it's very simple. You just press on this grey area here to select the entire track, highlighted with a white color, and then you just go to Effect, Volume and Compression, and press on Amplify. And this is the feature that will allow us to increase the volume of our audio and music files. You've got a very handy preview button that will basically play back a file that will be higher in volume. So as I select it and press on it, you can also press stop. As you can see, it's a bit louder. Sorry if it's too much noise, but that's how you do it. And now, after you have done your amplification, just press on apply, and as you can see, our graph is now way bigger. And then after you've finished, go to File, Export Audio, choose your respective quality, your format, and then press Export and save this file to your PC. As always, press on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.